Okay, there's one thing I forgot to show you guys, and that's how to create a video of your animation once you're done. And the video I'm talking about is not a final rendered, like with all the shadows and the ray trace algorithms. This is just a kind of test render so you can see motion. It's basically what you see on the screen. So there's an easy way you can put together these little short animations to see how or these short QuickTime movies to see how your stuff looks in real time. So first thing I want to do check is how long my video is, and I'm going to say, I think I started with 100. Mine's over by 60, so I'm going to set the end time to 60 frames. So 1 to frame, so I can only see 60 frames. Yours may be different, but everything's done by 60. And real simple, you go to Window, Playblast, you want to hit the option box. You're going to get a window that looks like this. Yours may look different from mine, that's okay. Go to Edit, Reset Settings. Now we should see the same thing. And you can set a start and end time specifically if you like, or you can say, hey, I just want to take the whatever the time slider shows. It might, in this case, it'd be 1 to 60. You want to, it says show ornaments. I think that's things like the what do you call the axes view and your view up here. So I'm going to turn ornaments off. I want to keep the view. Format is QT or QuickTime. I think the QuickTime format is usually in a .mov file, which is fine. Quality, this is not going to be a high quality thing. This is just to look at the motion of things. Display size from window, and I'm going to do 50% of the window size, which is 50% width and 50% height. So it's actually going to be about a quarter of the size you see here. So if you see this, 50% of that's going to be about this big. So it's going to be a really small video. That's all I'm looking for. For this assignment, 3 to 5 seconds of animation is fine. Just practice moving his arms, his hat, his, you can have him hop around or just hop once, but just show me that you can keyframe. Alright, so time slider, I'm going to put mine on time slider, which will be 1 to 60 for me. Just to view QuickTime, encoding PNG is fine. I'm just going to leave it at PNG from window 50%. What I do want to do is save it to a file. This is something I want you to turn into the class Dropbox. I've created a Dropbox for week 6. It's in D2L. So this is where I want you, and I'm going to put, I want you to put your last name and just put Snowman Animation. And I'm going to go ahead and put the .mov. I'm not sure if you have to put that or not. It may add it. And I'm going to, there's 2 ways you could do this. You can put this to your desktop, or if you've already set your project, which in my case I have a project called Online Modeling Class. Ignore that one. That's one I did a second ago. But I'm going to put mine in. If you set up a project, you should have a folder called Clips. I'm going to put mine in the Clips folder. And Snowman, last name, Snowman Animation .mov. Save it. Alright, and then it's just a matter of hit the Playblast button, and there you go. And then if you're on a Windows machine, you may or may not have yours pop up automatically. It depends on if you have a QuickTime player. But so there, I have a small movie. And notice the jagged edges. We don't have shadows or fancy lighting. This is a real-time image processor or movie processor, and this is not what we'll get into later, where we'll actually render out things frame by frame and have a lot higher quality. But so this is what I want you to turn in for the week, and have it a little longer. Mine was only 2 seconds. So let me show you in D2L where I want you to put this. I have D2L open. Let's see if we can go to the start page, and I'm going to see if I can be a demo student so I can see what you guys see. Alright, so I'm going to go to course content, week 6, and right here there's a Snowman QuickTime Playblast animations. This is your Dropbox. This is where I want you to, so I want you to click on that, and this is where I want you to upload your file. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the one I just did called Arnold Snowman, if I can find it. That's going to be in, give me a second. It's going to be in my documents folder. Projects. I have too many folders on my computer. Oh, Maya. I was looking for Maya projects, online modeling class, and clips. There we go. There's my Arnold Snowman animation I just created. Go ahead and open it. And I should be able to see them there. And you can add your comment. Hey guys, this is my Snowman animation for week 6. False. This. Alright, and you submit to the Dropbox, and I don't know if you will be able to see everything. I think I'm going to go check in a little bit, but definitely I will be able to open up your QuickTime movies. So I'm just going to move this out of the way. So that's it. Again, window, Playblast, option box, check your time slider, check time slider, check view. You can turn off ornaments. You can take the scale down. You can make a bigger movie, that's fine. And then make sure you give it a place that you can find. It doesn't have to be in your project folder. That's just a kind of a sensible place to, after having read about project organization this week, right? That would be a good place to put it. So that's it. Just wanted to show you that and make sure you put it in there by Sunday night. I'll be looking for it. You guys have a good weekend. And if you have any questions, if you have questions, post them by tomorrow. I can't promise I'll be able to look at anything on Sunday, but you guys have a good one. We'll see you.